So iPhone 7 home button replacement. We've been told this phone has seen water damage. So we're going to inspect the phone first. We're going to open it up nice and carefully, heat it up if you need to, and take off the two screws at the bottom. Open up gently, fold it over from the right side. Then proceed to take off the base plate holding the home button in place. As you can see already there's water ingress, and there's staining of water damage on the phone. It's basically the water doesn't really do the damage, it's the salts that ruin the ICs on the board that causes the problem. So disconnect your battery and just check everything. If it's water damage, the connectors are okay. Then we're going to proceed to test with a new home button. With a new home button, the Touch ID won't work, but the home button function, clickable function, will work. So we're going to test that first. So the testing phase, put your new home button on and test it. Yeah, it's water damaged. So we're going to proceed with the testing, see what happens. Yeah, the new button works, perfect, great. And if your home button does give up, as you can see the assistive touch is on the LCD there, you can always install that assistive touch to get you out of a rocky place, you know. So yeah, proceed to install the home button correctly. Make sure you place it nice and gently and connect the connector on properly, and put the base plate back properly. It's important to make sure you put that clip back carefully, you know. And connect her all up and connect the battery up, make sure everything's in place and it's all looking clean and tidy. We won't bother taking off the water damage here because it's only going to cause problems, and we just want to get the customer up and running, you know. And she didn't pay for that, so there you go, working perfect. Thank you.
Thank you, bye.